I want to make sure this one works before I tell you this is something that you consider. Okay, it's been kind of terrible days around here. Another brand's expandable hose failed on me. I think I only had it for a couple months. I was like, I need a heavier duty version because I've been having to live with an old-fashioned crappy garden hose, which is just terrible. That hose is so rigid and hard to work with in only 25 feet. Here we got 100 feet of succulent, wonderful, expandable garden hose. Let's hook it up, make sure it doesn't spring a leak, and then there's one test we need to do. One of the problems with these hoses in general is they have a restricted flow because of the way they are, and some of them really just trickle out water. I want to make sure this one works before I tell you this is something that you consider hitting that button and getting for yourself. Let me hook it up and let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Let's flip the switch. Oh, there goes the water. Look at how long this is. Look, going past this old crappy hose all the way around the pool. This is why I get the 100-foot version. Still going, still going. And we're gonna go over here. We're gonna feed our very thirsty milkweeds. There they are there, you see them? Look how sad they look. And look at how far we have gone with this hose. All right, let's see if it's got enough juice now. Okay, so I will say, has pretty good flow as these things go. I mean, not like a regular hose, but definitely meets expectations. What a little bit didn't meet expectations was this big giant hose was so hard to unwind to get it to work like this. It was all kinked up. Maybe there's a better way to open it than what I did, but packaging wise, that's a little tough. So let's water the plants that have been waiting for the water. Here we go. It's nice, the screen kind of turns the stream into a nice little spray for them. This is a pretty nice little adapter sprayer for it that comes with the kit, so that's kind of cool. So yeah, so if you're looking for this, there is a link in the description below. If you use that, it helps the channel out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra, so we're gonna say a big thank you to that because that helps us keep making this content because we actually bought this hose. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Outside of that, I wanted to say thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.